In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional copy of your profit and loss, also known as your income statement, ready to share or file. First, head to the left-hand navigation panel and click Reports. This opens your reporting center, where QuickBooks organizes everything you need to see how your business is performing. At the top of this page, select the Standard tab. This tab contains the most common, pre-built reports, including the one we're using today. Now, use the search bar on the Reports page and type Profit and Loss. When it appears in the results, select it. QuickBooks will immediately run the report for you using the current default settings, so you'll see revenue, cost of goods sold, and expenses summarized into a net income figure. Before printing, take a moment to customize the report so it reflects exactly what you want to show. Adjust the report period to the time frame you care about, such as this month, last month, this quarter, or year to date. If you track on a specific accounting method, choose cash or accrual to match your books. You can also refine the layout by displaying columns by month or quarter if you want a side-by-side view, and choose whether to show cents or collapse small detail to keep the report concise. If you use classes or locations, filter to include only what's relevant. Make sure your company name and the report title look correct at the top, and confirm totals and subtotals appear as expected. Once the report looks right, you're ready to print. Look to the top right of the report and click the printer icon. This opens your print preview. Here's where you choose the best layout for readability. If the report is wide or includes multiple columns, landscape orientation usually prevents columns from being cut off. For a simpler layout, portrait may be perfect. Set scaling to fit the page so all columns and totals appear on a single sheet where possible. If your printer settings allow, check margins to avoid trimming the header or totals. Give the preview a quick scan to ensure everything is clear and legible. When you're satisfied, click Print. Your profit and loss report will head to the printer exactly as you've customized it. That's all. You've opened the report, refined it to tell the right story, and printed a polished profit and loss straight from QuickBooks Online.